everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a hidden Canva secret element, especially perfect for Valentine's Day designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva, and then next, just create or open any designs that you want. And after that, just go to elements, and then just search for this code like this, and instantly you will unlock this hidden Valentine's theme illustration set like this. It's maybe I will call this bag vintage Valentine's love elements or love set. In this set you will find romantic quotes and then cute teddy bears and then love icons and then cute rose icon like this. And maybe this element packet is perfect for Valentine Instagram posts or stories, or maybe digital greeting cards, or and then maybe sticker planners, or maybe aesthetic designs for Valentine's. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.